Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and today I want to talk about this amazing chemical dispenser that I got for my pool. Now the reason that this one is very good quality, it is made of ABS plastic, which will last for a very long time. So it's high quality materials. Also, it does have a bigger capacity. It can hold up to 4 chlorine pucks at a time, so you're not constantly having to fill it again. It's very easy to use. It does have a bottom part here that you're able to twist and have the flow of chlorine as much as you want, lots or a little. The top is easy, you just slide it. It does have its own locking part. At the top you will have instructions where you open and close it. As soon as you open it, it's just an opening hole that you're just going to throw your chlorine pucks in and then close it back up and easily just throw it back in the pool, and you don't have to do anything else. It's just gonna go around your pool and chlorinate it for you. So it saves you running in and out all the time, and it keeps your pool looking beautiful and clean. That's my point of view.